What a transformation. The whole area has been cleaned up.
Currently I'm at the Undercliffe Cemetery in Bradford and I'm about to show you the grave of the Lumb family. The grave itself will be renovated in a couple of days' time by Graham Swain and his team. So let me just turn the camera around because it's starting to rain, the ground is slippy and it's quite dangerous, so I need to watch my footing. So I'll give you a quick backdrop as I walk towards the grave. Last year myself and Mark Nicholson put a video together about the tragic death of the three Lumb brothers. They were suffocated in the heating vaults of All Saints Church in Little Horton, Bradford, and the demise of the three brothers is mentioned on this stone. So with respect, I just need to go over the grave and read the stone for you guys. I'll put the link of the video in the description if you've not seen it. First brother, Charles Edward Lumb, aged 13 years. John William Lumb, aged 9 years, was the second son, and the third son was Fred Lumb, aged 6. They all died February 4th, 1871. And if that's not sad enough, their father, Jabez Lumb, died 10 days after.
Put your blade down. Okay. It's too heavy. Go down.
What if we put the green strap under the lip?
It's too heavy.
Too heavy.
It's too heavy. It's over 1/3 of a ton.
Right. It's half inch.
Could even be half a ton. 2 minutes, 2 minutes.
Go down.
Just no, you can lower yours. It's going, it's going. It's going. We'll go more. Go right a bit more.
You mean push out?
Yeah. That's fine, that's fine, that's fine. Push it, no, push it. Oh, go on, lift it if you can. No? Yeah. Lift. Just lift it. Right, just let it go over now. Should have brought a little grab, shouldn't we? Got it? Yep. Go on. Go on, straight up. Should do. It'd have been, yeah. And eventually the boxes have collapsed.
Yeah.
And then because they've got nothing to, substantial,
Yeah.
and Noak's been able to hold it up. Have we got a photograph of when it used to be original? It's about there.
Let's have a look.
Yeah. So this part here, that part there, is about there, on there. So yeah, I think we're looking all right. Did you pass us drill, Tim, please? No.
We never get a please here, Yeah, that's the first time I've heard him say please, honestly.
Yeah, yeah. Yeah, but we want him later on.
Graham, what's happening here?
It's we've got a bit of a void. We're just gonna see why it's a void. The next door is a tomb, but we want to whether this has been a tomb.
It's the angle of the shot which is a bit deceptive as well.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah.
We can't go any lower. We'd just lose it altogether. There. It's too low.
It's quite a drop in it, yeah.
It's too low for us. Yeah, what we're doing is we're not happy with depth of it. We need to raise it up probably 4 or 5 inches. Otherwise we won't get the lady's name on, we're in, the mother really is the important one here. Yep. Hold on. That's fine.
You can actually read the stone now. It's been in shade all that time.
Go on.
Higher or?
No, down.
I think, can you go forward to you, Graham?
No, that's fine. Okay. Because it's tilted forward now.
Yeah.
Are we happy with that?
Yeah, that's how well it'll be.
All right as well. That's fine. What now? Is it in? Yeah? Is the pin too big?
No, it's a small pin.
Okay.
Oh, I don't know the pin, just a small pin fits.
Hey?
It's falling down.
Okay. That's it. That's a 1. Yep. And again. Yep. Are you alright with it? Just put a bit of cement in there. Need a brush, soft brush. So here we are, Undercliffe Cemetery, restored the graves of the Lumb Brothers and the parents of Lumbs. At the end of the day, we're in Bradford. This is Bradford, city of culture.
Mark, what a journey with this, the Lumb family story. What a journey.
Absolutely. I mean, it was January of last year, 2023, when we came to do the video. Snow was starting to fall. It's obviously the summer now of 2024, but what a transformation. The whole area has been cleaned up. But more importantly, I spoke about it'd be lovely to see this grave repaired and for the stone to be brought up. I described it as a project for another day, and look at what's happened. Graham and his team have come up absolute trumps again.
Yeah, and thanks to the Undercliffe Cemetery charity as well.
Yeah, and anybody visiting the grave now can actually read the headstone without having to climb virtually into the grave, which I had to do. If you remember, I couldn't even read those bottom two lines because they were so far down and it was very dark. Even with the torch, we struggled. Oh, this is lovely to see. Absolutely lovely.